In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up the TradeAdapter EA in MetaTrader 5. First, log into TradeAdapter and open the documentation section. Then go to MetaTrader and click on Setup. In the first step, you'll find the link to download the MT5 EA. Once the file is downloaded, make sure to extract it from the zip file before continuing, as this step is essential. Next, open MetaTrader 5. Click on File, then select Open Data folder. In the folder that opens, go to MQL5. Then open the Experts folder. Inside Experts, open the Advisors folder. Paste the extracted EA file there. To verify the installation, go to the Navigator panel, expand Expert Advisors, and click Refresh. Then double-click on TradeAdapter to add it to your chart and make sure Allow Algo Trading is enabled. After that, go to the Inputs tab and paste your API key from your TradeAdapter profile. Here you can also choose the symbol you want to trade and set your order size. Finally, go to Tools, select Options, and open the Expert Advisors tab. Enable Allow Algorithmic Trading and allow WebRequest for listed URL. In this last field, add the TradeAdapter URL provided in the MetaTrader setup documentation. You'll know everything is properly configured when you see the EA icon in the top right corner of the chart and the Algo Trading button is activated in green. And that's it. Your TradeAdapter EA is now successfully connected to MetaTrader 5.